Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota CHR. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster, and now press trip button to switch between trip A and trip B. Now use the panel under trip button, especially arrow right and left, to change menu. Here we can find settings, alerts, assistant menu, radio, and trip computer. To navigate through current menu, press top and bottom arrow. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.